Remember in the last video when I said I always wanted to lift the GX? Well, today is the day. But before getting started, let's roll the intro. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, I'm my mate Jafari, and today you're finally lifting my 2005 GX470. And joining me in this journey of lifting the car is my boy Fardad. What's up, brother?
Good morning.
As well as Kian. How you doing, brother?
We're here for another spark plug, guys.
Another spark plug. We started with the spark plug and now lifting this bad boy. How long is the drive?
40 minutes.
And you think I'm gonna make it with this lean car and bouncy car?
Get into the character.
Let's get on the road. I need coffee. You need coffee? I need coffee.
Nowhere is open
Let's
for
start
coffee.
this bad boy, get on the road, go to the shop and do some on-board thing. It's coffee time. Mates, cheers.
I'm alive.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
We get lunch on me though. Finally arrived. Good morning, sir.
I got pulled over. I know. I pulled him over.
Well, I guess it's time to open these boxes, right?
I would have done it earlier.
I know, to see like if everything is in there or not. Alright.
Oh, there it is. Good job.
Let's see.
Oh.
Whoa!
Eibach.
Oh, look at that! We have
See,
it!
I told
Yay.
you.
Alright, these are...
Oh.
Oh. Stage 2, baby.
Damn.
These are the fronts, already assembled.
Wow.
And then, second one for the front.
Oh, this is a heavy boy. Coilovers are the sexiest thing ever. I know.
Even my Challenger had only springs on, but now I have coilovers.
Hey.
You
so
worked out, bro?
I have arms to match. First experience with coilovers?
Alright, let's try this one.
Let's do preacher curls with coilovers.
Oh, there's a box within the box. So we learned it's gonna be like this.
Nope, we didn't learn.
I guess we didn't learn. Whoa!
Wow.
More instructions. This is the bottom ones. Oh,
Yo.
bro, these are heavy duty.
Yo.
Look at these. Sheesh. Okay, these compared to the ones already installed on the car.
This is my new
Wait, wait.
bracelet. This is my new bracelet.
You are the speeding man.
Robobot. I am collecting all the springs. Like Thanos.
You're the spring man.
Like Thanos. Oh, I am the cannon man.
Got the car in the bay and about to put it on the lift. Surprises?
Yeah, under the car. Surprises.
This guy.
I'm just putting the reality out there, okay?
But don't start like if you put it in the universe.
Okay.
If you put it in the universe, you'll get fucked. If you don't put it in the universe, you'll be fine.
At least you get ready mentally, okay?
No.
I already know. Alright, this is the layout of the springs, the coilover, and the shocks with the car. Let me show you how messed up this one is. It's literally just sitting here. Gotta take this off. It's a little rusted and also dirty. As Kian says, it's super rusted. But I think it should be easy. These are the previous springs that I already have. And compared to the other ones, it's actually way bigger and it's nice.
Alright, you ready, sir?
I'm ready. Oh, you gotta put it there just like DD2. We have moved to the stage of getting the springs out. So what we need to do is take the sway bar out right there and then twist this. And after we twist it, we are able to take the springs out. So the axle gotta go left and right. And then we can put the new springs on. And then putting the shock on, it should be pretty easy. But it's like I'm remembering what I did 2 years ago, year and a half ago, when I changed the springs from the airbags to the springs. If you haven't watched that video, it's gonna be popping out in the banner. Amazon springs versus the Eibach springs here. And then stock shock versus the brand new shock from Eibach. The size is not that different.
That's an inch.
It's an inch different, but the build quality on these is way better than these ones for sure. What do you think? Has it been as rusty as you thought it might be?
Nah, not
It's
that
better.
much, but we still have the front. That's where I'm worried about.
S-spring officially in. Took 5 people to put this in. Both of them.
But it shouldn't.
This one was a little easier, but this side was a little bit more challenging.
We are the only
Fucking
people
Lexus has to
that
make
in a
everything so
mechanic shop
complicated.
full of tools and everything, you're using manpower.
Let's move on to the shocks in the rear, and then we still have the coilovers in the front. Good luck to me. The back is officially done. We have put the shock, the spring in, both sides, and would you do the honors and bring this little jack down so everything stays in place, hopefully.
Yeah, if not, rest in peace to me.
R.I.P. I don't think it's gonna calm down that much. Oh, it's coming down. Also, Kiara, she's doing me a favor and is spraying the hole underneath with some undercoat for rust.
It didn't have rust.
It didn't have rust, that's true. The future owner didn't have rust. So we're good.
From 2005.
It is! That's a parcel joiner. What's up, bro? Forgot to say hi to you. So let's move into the front. The front is gonna be a little bit more challenging, but
We are the challengers.
we are the challengers. We're gonna finish. We're gonna tackle it. These gonna come off because they are for the air suspension and Magno ride height or whatever it was. Those coming off, and then you see this needs to be changed. See, I did a good thing to get the whole actual lift kit.
A few moments later.
Everything is stopped. Nothing's working.
Just to update, we are 3 hours 25 minutes. Stuck on one side of the front coils. The upper body is not getting disconnected, and we are forcing it, but it's just mingled to each other, and with all the W40 and everything we added, it's just freaking not moving at all.
I am defeated. Like, the back one took an hour and a half. Easy. Took nothing. Upping on this one area for literally 2 hours. Trying to open up a few bolts. And it's not working. I'm so done. My whole body's hurting. And... oof. Okay. Need a breather. Let me go take a breather and then we'll come back and tackle it again. We'll see.
You might say, why are the all shocks out? I'm happy to announce 3 of the bring-in shocks are in. Last one.
It is the last one, bro. How many hours later?
2 hours.
Take the camera.
7 hours and 43 minutes later.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
That's what I said, but I was totally wrong, bro. Well, the thing is, it was rusted at... if it wasn't rusted at, then it would have been like 3 hours. Yeah, now I have to... was gonna put a beep on you and not beep on me. Just have you finally done?
Yes. We
Alright.
are on 8 hour, 46 minutes, 50 seconds.
Well, we're gonna lower the car in a second. I am excited and get nervous.
Wait.
What?
It took us 9 hours to lift it. Why are we gonna lower it?
Oh, that is true.
I'm technically a dad, so.
I don't know how energized you are. Okay. Are we gonna lower the car, boys? I'm gonna be like this.
Clear.
Are we doing it?
No. Yes.
Go for it.
Oh.
Am I gonna turn?
Yes.
Wait, it's not fully lowered yet.
Yes, can you come from this side?
I'm looking from the back. It is definitely taller. like I used to be able to see this roof, but oh my god, bro, I need bigger tires, bro. Jesus.
You do have another issue right now.
What is the issue?
37s with T's on.
If you put the rooftop tent on, you
I
need
can't.
an actual letter.
Yeah, that's true. Ladder.
From the U.S. Congress.
Oh my
Letting you
god.
know that the car is too
These
big.
tires are so small right now. What have I done? 9 hours and 1 minute. Let's go. I know. Okay. So Kiara's just taking the car out. I want to see it outside. See how it feels. See how it looks. Woo! Sounds good. Okay. This is tall. This is really tall.
I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my element, don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see.
Just took this car for a little drive. It feels comfortable. We're gonna hit the road soon, so I'm gonna give you guys a pretty quick update when we get home. But for now, for the little drive, felt pretty damn good. I think we did a good job. I do have to change my upper control arms, the end links, and all the stuff pretty soon. Hopefully, it's really soon. And it's gonna cost me a lot, but for now, the car is lifted. It's pretty nice. Huge thanks to this guy. Thank you for helping me out.
Anytime.
It was another jigsaw puzzle, as we always do.
Puzzles, yes.
Those bolts, man.
Bunch of-
And huge thanks to this guy for letting us use the shop, help us out. Thank you so much, brother.
Putting the coilovers in.
Yeah, basically, you were the puzzle himself. You put everything in.
No, not in me. In the car.
The car.
Thank
Yep.
you, thank you.
And then, last but not least, thank you so much for helping out.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you, brother. We're gonna drive together, so we're gonna both feel the difference when we get home. If we get home.
Yes, we will.
Pretty confident of what we did, right? Everything is like bolted in, hopefully. Yeah, we double.
Get yourself ready for the worst.
We kind of double checked everything.
Yeah.
Oh, do have to change my axles too. Yeah, all the axle sleeves are out, so made it home, safe and sound. The ride was absolutely phenomenal. In terms of bumps, basically, what bumps? But there's a problem, which I have to figure out, because we touched the speed sensor and the ABS sensor and all that. I now have a Christmas tree. I obviously didn't finish this video last night, hence the brightness. It was super dark and I couldn't finish it. However, here she is, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks with the lift. Especially those wheels look super good on this now. Even though it didn't look terrible when I had it in a stock format, which was not lifted. And everyone thought I already had lifted the car, but no. It's now lifted and it rides super amazing. I am so stoked and happy about the outcome. Driving back home 45 minutes, 50 minutes last night was absolutely amazing. Took on all the bumps like they have no business being under these tires and the suspension, and it's way more comfortable and smooth to drive after installing the shocks and the whole suspension setup. Again, I went with the Eibach Pro Truck Stage 2s. Super fast shipping and it was really hassle-free to buy. The installation would have been way more easier if this bad boy wasn't that rusted that I thought it wasn't. And speaking of the rust, I have to give a huge shout out to my boys Kiarash, Fardad, Kian, and also Parsha who stopped by. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have been able to do anything or make this happen, because I was battling one bolt for an hour and a half. I kind of gave up, but they were there, they supported me, we did it together. It was an amazing day with the boys installing car parts, and can't wait to do it again. Maybe not for another 6 months or a year, because it was a lot of hassle. You can take a look at this beautiful lifted GX. I'm not the one that is not lifted anymore, but with that all out of the way and with that all being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, also subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions regarding this lift kit or anything else regarding this car or my motorcycle, let me know in the comment section down below. And with that all out of the way, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
There's a wild Fardad in the jungle. The Fardad is running very low. Usually, these Fardads go